Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Preeti and today I will show you how to upload a Angular project to GitHub on GitHub repository. So what is a GitHub and why we use that? Because as a developer, sharing our code or collaboration with other developers, we need it is a very integral part of software development process, and GitHub is widely used platform for code version control tools for collaboration and code sharing process. So it also allows us to host our project and contribute to open source initiatives seamlessly. In this blog or in this video, we will talk through through all the steps of creating a GitHub repository and pushing the Angular project code. So firstly, we have to create a account on GitHub. So go to the github.com. So click on sign. If you don't create before, then you have to click on sign up button and create that account. But I have already account created. So click on the sign in process. So here type email address and password. Click on the sign in button. So it sends the OTP code on your email. So verify that. Yeah. So I have lots of repository already created. So click on the new button. Click, write a repository name. So Angular Angular demo app. Okay, and write some descriptions, and your repository is public or private. So now I click on public. If you have to write a readme file, click on this. Add git ignore file, which is not take unnecessary files, bulky files which you will not use in the code, and click create repository. Okay. So I have created a Angular repository here. Now move to the code. So go to the VS Code. I have already created a demo application. So right now I don't create any Angular application. So directly go to that folders, and do you know one more thing? So when you use git command, so before using git command you have to install git software in your system. So how can you install a git software? So go to the Google and type git. So first link is there, git. Click on the download for window, and click on the git for Windows 64-bit or 34-bit, whatever your system you have. So you have to install proper instruction process and follow all the instruction and install in your local system. After that you have to use a git, otherwise you don't able to use that. So I have already installed, so no need to run command like git init. So in git init it gives a git ignores files and also a git folders. So what is the git ignore files? So git ignore files specifies which files and which directories that git should ignore it For Angular project includes common items like node modules, and when you run command ng build, that time you want create a folder like dist folder. So it is a necessary files. So we don't have to push that folders. So that's why we creating a git ignores files. After that I have git install. So when you check git status, so they have a 4 or 5 files are there, so you can check it. After you run a command like git add dot means it add all the files, and hit enter, it add it. Then go to the GitHub repository, click on the code, and here the link. So copy it, go to the project folder and write git remote add origin and paste it link and hit enter. Okay, now git commit that all the codes, all the files. Git commit -m code was first time. Add message whatever you have to changes in that code according to that, and hit enter. Commit done. Now git push. So you have to, the first time, so you have to run that command. Git push set up a stream and origin master. Okay, and go to the GitHub files and verify that it will be pushed or not, come or not. So click refresh button, go to the master branch. Yeah, so all code is here. And also add a readme file. Now go to the project folder. Like here we add a console.log hello. Save it. So now you see in here you have to change in a child component and click on that. They have a hello. So whatever you changes in your code, so in this section you can check it where we have to change or where have to remove that code.